What's good, chat? Welcome to another day of backtesting. Today is day 232. Give me a sec. Right, today is day 232. And aside from that, today is a Friday. So we gotta backtest and then head into the weekend fresh. Right, so today we had a very great trading day. Some small shorts and also for tested a good long. So very great day in the market, and we gotta keep. Hopefully, we can keep the wins rolling. Don't care about the losses because they're always there. So they're always there to make us learn, and they're okay having them once in a while. And with that being said, I think we should just get started with the impression model 2021. I think we were in September, if not August, so we have a few months until we can end the session. Which month are we at? Yeah, we are in September already, actually. All right. Now, looks like price is bullish, has been in some consolidation, but if it starts to shoot higher, then we can long this thing. There's buy side here, and buy side is how many points away? 40 points away. And now the 4 hour has run this low here, which is good. So maybe you can try to find some longs towards the high. Come on. Right, there it goes. Now the 1 hour has inverted here and left behind a very great gap here. So maybe you can long it on this gap retracement. So first we have the sweep here. We have buy side here, which is how many points away? 40 points away. Close to 40 points. Okay, it's this high, all-time high here. Right. So I'll think I'll wait maybe for this low to get run or some sort of sell side. Then maybe look to find some longs. Okay, there's a good drop. Well, this is so heavy. It's a heavy drop. Let's check out ES. Okay, I wonder why it's dropping this much. So if it reverses here, then we can long it this gap here. Can long it off of this small gap here. Okay, get a run on this low and on SMT as well. If it reverses here, we can take some longs towards the 930 open, this high here. There will be a 1-to-1, but these relatively good highs actually. They are close to the 930 high, so maybe you can long it towards there. This will be a 1-to-1, but you can also target these highs here. So we'll take 9 micros here. So we have the confluences are we have a good SMT here, and well, aside from that, it's I believe it's an hourly retracement. And how did the 4 hour close? 4 hour didn't close that good, but I think I'm still long it anyways. Okay, here we're gonna get stopped out. Obviously, it's so clear, but it's because of this gap. Actually, I think we should have shorted it instead. So it's heading for these relatively colors, I believe, but yes, has already run them. There it goes. So the bias was short. The possible opportunity could have been at this gap here. 15-minute gap retracement, and you can see that there was a run here, run on the high, then inverse right at this gap, and also I believe maybe the 2-minute had some inversion at this candle here. So you target this low here for 30 points or even lower. Very great trade here, even though we didn't take it, but this would have been a great one. Okay, so now we have a run on this low here, relatively close, and I think maybe it could start going higher for some good longs on the day. Still got the all-time highs intact, and well, we also got a high from yesterday. Yep, also yesterday's high is a good target. So let's see if we can find some longs on the day. So we have sell side here, 830 low. Did we have any news on this day? Because that would be a very great data low. We didn't have any 830 news, but we have, wait, we're on September 9th. Oh, no news day. Okay, so I think now here we can start to get some longs. It's a 5-minute gap right here, and we can see that we have got a 2-minute inversion right here, and we also got this run here. So these are the confluences for the trade. So I think these longs here could play out to this or this high here. So 16 points, we're risking around 10 points. So that will be 25 micros. There's also an SMT here, but since there's a 15-minute gap, I'm kind of skeptical that it could drop to also this 15-minute gap. It's also possible, so I'll be open to anything that could happen. But also ES has already run this high, so it can make sense either way. So should we have closed at a 1-to-1 here, or probably hold it? I don't think so. I don't think so. This will be a loss anyway, either way. Alright, now we've got a retracement into the 15-minute. So rejection here then will be better than the one from the 5. Okay, now you can see a better SMT, then an inversion, and take points now to these relatively equal highs. So targeting 21 points, risking around 11 points. So that's 500 over 22. So that's 22 micros. If you create a breakout structure here, then I can move to break even. Let's just close it here at this break even here. Head on to the next day. Okay, so these few days have been bearish. I think it's going to head to this daily gap here. So even though this day looks bullish, I think it might show some bearishness later on in the day. Yeah, let's see. Do I have any bearish confluences? Not that much. Bullish, only the sweep. So let's check the 1 hour for more confluences. We have relatively equal lows here, liquidity have a run here, and we have an SMT at this high. The price has been slow on this day. It's the 10th of September already, and do you have like a gap that price is fighting with? No. So it might drop. I would like to see it drop today. Got the 9 AM open here. Oh, this is a crazy open. Okay, new hourly open. We dropped directly lower to this 9:30 open, running it here. And ES is melting lower. I think the 1 minute inversion could give us a short actually at the open, at this gap here. Got 9 AM low, 6:30 low, Asia lows. Don't know why to short it to, because that's a little bit too far, but 30 points to make how much? Let's target Asia lows, 70 points. Let's sell. Take profit at this low. If ES runs this slow here, then I'll close the position, because the way it's looking like it might form an SMT then start going higher. Okay, this is a very nice drop. Look at the way ES dances around take profit. That's why most people love scalping it. I mean NQ, because as of now, like, it dropped, consolidated all the way until it ended up hitting take profit. So it was really, really slow. Mic check. Oh, come on. I don't know why my camera is not functioning. I think the chat is I'm checking the 15 minute and see we've got like checking the 15 minute and see we've got like a small gap here, you know. Bugging. Okay, let's just continue. If it happens to fail, then it's normal. Now I would like to see if price print some normal. Now I would like to see if price print some longs. Okay, get a crazy drop right there. Wait, where could have inversion probably here. But what will the target be? Okay, this is a generational melt. Because in the first 15 minutes of after open, price drops 120 points. Get a 5-minute gap retracement higher. Here. and then price ends up running this low here. So Asia lows tagged out, their London lows here, because the Asia lows are now out. But after this drop, I don't think for too long, so I think we'll just wait for a bit before trying to take any shorts. From here, wait for this high here, like the low hanging fruit that we can see. Let's stop at this low. This will be around okay, stop at the low here and take profit at this high. Okay, take profit is at this high, stop at this low. So take profit gets hit right away. Very beautiful move. Has yes run the high? Yep, also has also run that high, so it's okay. Now let's okay, heading on to the next day. So looks like price might consolidate in this gap here. You can see the price is in a daily gap, but we'll have to see what it does, obviously. So that was respected yesterday, price dropped. We have a run here, push higher, retracement, pushing higher today, but I'd like to see more. This fair value gap here holding, you can see that there's a good gap here that's holding price. You can see it like this, so very good retracement, then shoots up. So we also have buy side at this high here at 830, because you can see we had a crazy run, and obviously wait, we actually don't have anything, so that's insane. Okay, whatever, I think this gap here will get retraced into, then prepare us for some longs towards there. That's what I think could happen for the day, which if it doesn't happen, then it will be heading for the news embargo data low, because you know 830 is where most of the New York session open happens, like all the news for New York session open. So obviously that place has a lot of liquidity, so as at open price shoots higher and then inverses directly. Now shorting it wouldn't be my best trade, to be honest. I'm just gonna sit and wait. Maybe here I'll try longing it if it inverses a gap. Okay, the price continues to melt since I decided not to short it to the 830 low. Where's the 830 low, by the way? 830 low is somewhere around here, and I don't think ES has tapped into that low just yet. Actually ES did, and NQ does the same.